In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively integrate a video into your Miro board, making it an even more dynamic tool for your projects. So let's dive right in and transform your workspace into a more engaging environment. First things first, you'll want to access your Miro account. Navigate to the Miro login page by opening your browser and heading to Miro.com. Once you've reached the login page, you will see a variety of sign-in options. For this guide, we'll use our email. Simply click on Continue with Email to proceed. Enter your credentials and log into your account. If you're new to Miro, you'll want to create an account first by selecting the appropriate options on the login page. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard with all your existing boards. From here, you need to locate and select the board where you plan to add your video. Simply click on the board's name to open it. If you don't have an existing board, you can easily create a new one by clicking on the Create New Board option and naming it accordingly. Now that you're on your board, think about where this video content could enhance your project. For this guide, let's focus on embedding a video from YouTube or Vimeo. If your video is currently only stored locally, you need to upload it to YouTube or Vimeo first. Once uploaded, copy its URL. On your Miro board, paste this URL directly where you want to display the video. Doing this will prompt Miro to recognize it as an external link. After pasting the URL, look for the three-dot menu next to the link. Clicking on it will unveil several options. Choose Embed this widget. This option allows the video to be played directly from your Miro board without needing to navigate away, making it much more interactive. Next, you'll want to adjust the viewing permissions. Click on the View Only mode and obtain the embed code or link. Copy the code or link as this will be necessary for further use or sharing. It's worth mentioning the importance of permission settings, especially if you're collaborating with others, to ensure the video plays seamlessly for everyone involved. Finally, let's make sure everything is functioning correctly. Open a new tab in your browser and paste the link or embed code in the address bar. This step ensures your video is correctly embedded and plays without any issues. Testing it this way helps troubleshoot any potential errors before you collaborate with others on the board. And that's it. You now have a fully integrated video on your Miro board, enhancing your presentations and collaborations. By following these steps, you've transformed your workspace into a more interactive canvas, enabling richer, more engaged teamwork. Thank you for watching and happy creating.